Sunset. Full moon. Almost don't need a light out here. Hey, look at that! It's blowing heat! I actually might know what I'm doing. A little bit. I don't know. I just throw shit at it. If it works, it works. No, not really. I really stray far from that. I like trying to go through and truly figure out what the hell's going on before I start throwing parts at things, because that's a parts changer, not a technician. And I've always been a pretty good technician. Yeah, it's making heat, blowing air, doing all the right things. It's all nice and happy. I don't got no angry blinky lights on the controllers in there. And temperature's dropping fast. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, enjoy the view. And of course, have a great weekend, everybody.